Evan with PCS Outdoors with one of our new products that we just got in. It's a corrugated plastic weasel box, and it's really neat. There's actually 6 of them right here, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It'll come with the corrugated plastic box, and it'll come with some pieces of Velcro. So you have this first tab here, which the easiest way is to just peel the back off one of the sides of the Velcro and attach it right there on the edge. And then I use 2 on this flap here. Put another one right there. And they're a little bit tricky to fold up, but once you get the hang of it, they go pretty easy. So you want to fold this piece all the way over. We fold these 2 up like that, and we'll bring it around. Bring this over. And at this point, you can peel the paper off the back of these 2 pieces of Velcro. You might want to do this before. You just have to be careful not to bump it into anything or it'll stick to it. And then once you have that ready, you can actually just fold it on the line, push that piece up against, and attach it there. And then that piece is attached. So now you can take and fold these little tabs in. They help keep it from folding back out. This one will a little bit. And that keeps this piece from falling in. There's a hole in the bottom of it that you can use to stake it down. A nice piece of T-bar or rebar right through there works. And then for the top, to get the top to close, we actually have several more pieces of hook and loop, which is great stuff. And same thing, just peel and stick these 3 pieces. Peel the back off all of them, and as you can see, it's got the line, so it's already got kind of pre-creased there. And then just bring it up and fold it down, push those pieces on. Then you have your weasel box ready to go. Feel free to put a #1 long spring or some rat traps. If you're using it for pest control and getting chipmunks and stuff, you can use the rat trap, or you could even go with a glue board or something like that. And then to put the in after you have it done, the Velcro sticks real good, but you can open it up, stake it down, put your trap or glue board in there, and then just close it back up. And you're all set. Another great thing about these weasel boxes is when you take them out, you can actually break them down a little bit. So if you open the Velcro, open the top, unhook these little tabs there, and then what you can do is if you fold the bottom piece all the way up like that, you can actually fold these 2 pieces back down and out. And you can fold it flatter to take it out in the woods. So you can carry a whole stack of them with no problem at all. Where your traditional wood ones, I mean, you'd have a whole truckload, which you can have just in one small pile. And then they're just as easy to put back together. You can actually undo the Velcro too if you wanted it even smaller and flatter. But then putting them together is just as easy. Especially once you got the Velcro on there. Fold these in. That goes all the way in there. Just like that. Fold these 2 up. The bottom gets folded back down, and your little tabs get folded to hold those pieces from moving around. And then you're ready to go again.